Welcome to DryCyber's Cybersecurity Readout. Today, we're diving into the components of the Cybersecurity Framework. Imagine cybersecurity as a three-layered cake. The first layer, the framework core, is the foundation. It's a set of desired cybersecurity activities and outcomes, neatly organized into functions, categories, and subcategories. Think of it as the language that helps different teams communicate effectively about cybersecurity. The second layer is the implementation tiers. This layer describes the degree of rigor in an organization's cybersecurity risk management practices. It's like a measure of how well-baked our cybersecurity cake is, from partially baked, Tier 1, to fully baked and adaptive, Tier 4. The top layer is the profiles. These are unique to each organization, aligning their requirements, objectives, risk appetite, and resources against the desired outcomes of the framework core. It's the icing on the cake, the final touch that makes the cake unique to each baker. Remember, this cybersecurity cake is voluntary and customizable to your organization's needs. So, let's get baking and improve our cybersecurity posture.